What's up guys, thank you for watching another video. I got Lazy and Carlos here with me today because today we're actually gonna go ahead and fix my Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's currently not home, it's just the Evo. And they actually came to pick up some pure oil because they are now officially sponsored. This is like really good oil. I run this on all my cars, like the Evo, the Eclipse. I think it's like 50% off for the sponsorship. Just message them on Instagram and tell them I sent you, and they will validate it for you guys. So they went ahead and picked up the case, and we're pretty much gonna go over to their house where the Eclipse is at. Hi. Nice Subi, bro.
What?
Nice Subi.
Oh, thank you.
Let me whip it.
Hey, there's so much drip on this, man.
Where?
Wow.
Yeah, masks?
You know what?
Yeah, low key.
Hey, so do I.
Please. Bro. I'm not using this. Alright, so we need a ground. Let's go. More with you this time. Where's my Miguel DSM freshener at?
Hey, it's still in its package.
Damn, bro. Sounds good though. And we just pulled up to the DSM headquarters. We got my 2G DSM. Let's start working on this thing. Dude, this thing's filthy. Alright, so if you didn't see the last episode, the whole reason my car was misfired, well not misfired, turned off. Look at this.
That's the first.
It's done, dude. Like, it literally broke off. We replaced the battery, we replaced the alternator with an OEM one. What we pretty much gotta do is pretty much replace this ground terminal, and then after that it should have no more shorts and it should be drivable again. So we'll take it on a test drive, get some rollers, and make sure that everything's good before I drive it home because I live pretty far, huh? Yeah, so I don't want this thing catching on fire. I don't want this thing catching on fire.
Head prop.
Head prop. You already know. Alright, so this thing's held on by like a 12.
You gotta wedge it.
Oh. Hey, do you guys think DSMs break down a lot or no?
It depends. Yeah. Are the drivers taking care of it or not?
I take care of my car and stroke brakes now.
Yeah. Alright, you know what? There's something we're not here.
You have something that's pulling power, isn't it?
No.
What?
There's something's grounding with the positive side.
That's so nice, not here to go bang. Just to make sure there's no bare wires, right?
It's not freaking.
Yeah. That looks fine?
Yeah, this is good.
Hi, Alex. Ooh, what's this? Oh, and it's cold too.
Modilo.
Modilo?
You disconnect it?
Yeah, it's disconnected.
Now, oh, I know what we do now. We connect one thing back at a time.
And then see where it's at.
It starts to spark, and then we know directly where it is. I learned this from the Master Tech.
Where is your bottle opener? That's what matters right now. Ooh.
10.
Process of elimination.
Let me see. Let me try to open this.
Oh, Master Tech feels so good about me.
That's how you know you're Mexican.
Go for it.
Those are your fans.
Yeah, it turns on. They turn on automatically.
Okay.
Go for it.
We're good? No? I want to see.
My chief, that.
I want to see what the fuck.
No cuts? No.
It looks like it goes to 2 different wires.
It's literally the old
Connected
the old alternator wire. Yeah, it's not really bad.
It's fine now?
Yeah.
What do you think it was
I
then?
think it's somewhere there.
On the junction block?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely. I feel like if you had a fuse there, you would have blown it already.
Yeah, if there was a fuse on it, it would have blown.
Alright, so no more sparks. So we think that the issue was somewhere in the junction box. Alright guys, let's get back on the GoPro and test drive this thing. And of course put the fire extinguisher just in case. I'm gonna let it warm up real quick. Hi. What do you think? What? Things like.
Just kidding. Did you see what I did?
No.
I dropped it for a second thinking you were gonna done.
It feels fine. I think the car's back to normal. This thing pops like crazy, huh?
Yeah, that shit was nice. When we first came out here with CJ,
Yeah.
we saw flames under your car. That shit
Oh yeah, it shoots flames. Why are you hiding?
Because you say I look like I just woke up.
You do though. Alright guys, so the car is back to normal from what I know. If anything, I'll let you guys know, but I'll pretty much end the video here. I'm super happy. I'm gonna drive it home. It's like 30 miles, so hopefully I make it. If not, I'll just keep recording for the next video, but you guys will find out soon. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one.